geometry file from the last video or download it using link number 1. Let's delete the circle. Again, press delete button followed by enter. Click on build all. Go to geometry, we have transform. In transform, we have array, copy, mirror, move, rotate, and scale. Array is to create a series of objects. Copy is to create a new identical object. Mirror is to create a new object that reflect to a point or axis. Move is to move the object to another position. Rotate is to change the angle of the object. Scale is to make the object bigger or smaller. Let's try array. The input object is active, we can choose the input for this function. Click on the rectangle. Array type is rectangular, X size and Y size is the column and row. Let put 2 and 2, mean that there will be 2 columns and 2 row of rectangles. Displacement is distance from the bottom left corner from one rectangle to the other. Because the width is 6 meters and height is 2 meters, I will choose 7 and 3 so that we have some space between rectangles. Click on build selected. Click on zoom extents. Here we go, 4 rectangles, 2 rows, 2 columns, distances between them are 7 meters in the X direction and 3 meters in the Y direction. Now, let's change array type to linear. The size is the number of rectangles. Let's say 3. Click on build selected. Click on zoom extents. We have 3 rectangles. Notice that the distance from the bottom left is 7 in the X-axis and 3 in the Y-axis. Let's change Y to 0. Click on build selected. Now we have 3 rectangles. Notice that the distance from the bottom left is 7 meters in the X-axis. Delete array. Try copy. Select the object. Give the displacement. Again 7 and 3. Click on build selected. We have 2 rectangles. Notice that the distance from the bottom left is 7 meters in the X-axis and 3 meters in the Y-axis. Change X to 0, click on build selected. Now, we have 2 rectangles. Notice that the distance from the bottom left is 3 meters in the Y-axis. Delete copy. Try again with mirror. Select the input. We have point on line of reflection, which is where the mirror is. Let put x equals 7. Normal vector to line of reflection is the direction the object will be mirrored in. 0 in y and 1 in x mean that this object will be mirrored in x direction. Check keep input object. Click on build selected. We have 2 rectangles that are mirrored at x equals 7. Delete mirror. Try move, rotate, and scale yourself. Now delete the transform element. Ctrl S to save the file. See you in the next tutorial on how to create 3D object from 2D object.